Hey everyone, we're back to another video of the Discount Rules plugin, and in this video we're going to learn how to create an offer page listing all your discounted products. An offer page in the Discount Rules plugin is a web page that promotes discounted products, making it easy for your customers to find and buy them during promotions, enhancing the shopping experience and attracting new customers. For instance, if your shop has 50 products and you have set discounts for only 20 products, then you can create a separate page to list those 20 products. This allows customers to conveniently browse and shop the items with discounts. Right? So let me take you step by step on how to create this offer page. For this, let's go to the WordPress dashboard. Under WooCommecre, you'll find Woo Discount Rules. And here are some rules I've created. I have two rules which includes specific categories of products. What we're going to do is we're going to use the offer page and display those specific products on a separate page. All right. So let's go to the settings tab of the Discount Rules plugin. And if you go further below, you'll be able to find this on sale page settings. Right. Options available in the sale page settings are number one, select rules for the on sale page. You can either choose all active rules or specific rules if you want, according to your preferences. I'm going to select all active rules, meaning products involved in all the active rules will be displayed on the separate page. All right, great. Next, you could also choose to exclude out of stock products if you want by clicking on this option. The third comes select on to run daily. If you have validity based rules or rules with date and time conditions, you can set this option to yes. This will automatically update the offer page daily based on the enable setting. All right. Next comes the shortcode to load all products which has discount through Woo Discount Rules. So when we talk about offer page, it displays products having discounts coming from the Woo Discount Rules plugin. So you can just copy this shortcode and use it to create this offer page. Now we're going to create an offer page. To do this, don't forget to copy the shortcode as said earlier. Now go to WordPress dashboard. You'll find pages. Now all you have to do is click on add new. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Now we will have to create a new page by entering a title. I'm going to call this an offer page. Great. Now click on this shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we have copied earlier from the settings. Once you do that, you will have to simply publish to make the sale page live. This shortcode is used to retrieve all the information about the different products that are involved in discounts coming from the Woo Discount Rules plugin. So you'll have to remember that the shortcode is very important. Now that's all. The page is live. So once published, the offer page will display all products with discounts set by our plugin. All right. So let's click on view page now. Here is the offer page. Here are products that are involved in the discount rules we have created. Great. That is all about the offer page, and this is definitely an easy way for customers to find the products that are involved in discounts and they can benefit from each of them. Thank you so much for watching.